Usumbut Menteri Rangba ka jela uba Prestone tensong hakalai terik naiwing ula pentip baka sorkar jela kan haban syong ya thirsani bha ya ki jingkan tho ki balabu ka Ministry of Home Affairs hakabaya dei ber ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill 2020 uba Prestone ula ong baka Ministry of Home Affairs kala Pynphai ya ka MRSSAB Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill 2020 Namarba ka sorkar pedeng kamsyam la menjur ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill kalawan phai biang sya ka sorkar. Chief Minister ula dep khot ya ka jingialng ka ban yadon lang ki legal experts but senior officer hakatayo ka banwan. Kum takin syong ya ka jingialng ban syem ya ka rai bat ki sinjam kum no ban ya syakmat halor ka ni ka ain ban tek lakam ya ka jingwan rung kerthep ki barjala hajala.
I think last time we have already told that the Ministry of Home Affairs has already returned back that amendment passed in the Assembly, and next week we are going to have a meeting. Chief Minister, myself, and a few senior officers, including Advocate General, will sit down and then how to go forward, because they have already submitted with the views, with their views from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Able to tell you anything, so let us first sit down. We'll have a meeting, then you will be known. See, I think we don't say that the implementation of this act has just happened few days back. No, we have already constituted even the district task force headed by the respective deputy commissioner, and then even the SPs, they are the members of this committee, and these task force committee is in place, and we have already directed all the deputy commissioners to implement this MRSSA Act accordingly and make sure in the respective jurisdiction that it should be implemented in totality. Since the amendment was not approved by the ministry, so it has come back to us. So I can't tell you right now. Let us sit down first. I told you CM has already called a meeting next week, and myself and few legal experts will sit down and then we'll come up with maybe, I don't know how to go about it. I'm just saying that.